Well, you love to see this right here, SHIB Army. Top whale adds 148 billion SHIB, 378 billion SHIB in just 3 days. And we always want to track the whale activity. What are they doing at this particular time? Right now, they are adding to their position. It might not feel that way because the price action has been pretty stagnant. We did get a little bit of a pop in the price, but we're meeting some resistance right now up at around the 11.5 level, about 11.5 is right where we're meeting some resistance and coming back down. However, it's good to see that the whales are accumulating, right? And right now we are seeing that. And blue whale, who's been a constant whale for quite some time, blue whale 0073 continues its buying spree, acquiring $1.65 million worth yet again. And this is coming in from whale stats. So the other reason for the whales accumulation spree probably related to a couple other recent developments. Crypto.com extended support for Shiba Inu and its governance token Bone recently by introducing the new trading pair Bone and SHIB on its platform. At the same time, we had a New York-based multi-asset trading platform, Uphold, revealed its impressive proof of reserves data, showing that it holds 921 billion SHIB in its reserve, worth around $10.4 million. Dodo, a decentralized trading platform, has partnered with Alchemy Pay to allow its users to purchase Shiba Inu with fiat. Love Alchemy Pay, by the way, too. That's a crypto I talked about way back in 2021 as well. And this is to help boost the adoption of Shiba Inu even further, right? This is pretty cool, actually, giving them the ability to buy SHIB with fiat. Again, so many people want to get in, but they don't know what exchange to use, how to use an exchange, how to use DeFi. As of press time, SHIB is trending right now at the 10.95 level. Let's go inside, actually, and take a look at some of the price action, some of the things we're looking at as it relates to SHIB. So let me pull up TradingView real quick, and we'll open up SHIB on the charts here. And let me present this, and let me do this. There we go. Boom. All right, so here we go. You can see here, I've got a little indicator on here. By the way, I am actually actively building out a new indicator. I've hired a professional who's been in the industry for a very long time. I'm learning how to trade, and I'm having him build me out a new indicator. And this will be something I'll be presenting to all of you in the near distant future. Just a heads up on that. But I've got an indicator in here from my buddy that he let me use here for a little while. It's pretty cool. And it shows basically a lot of consolidation right here on the charts, right? Back on March 10th from right now, we've essentially just been trading sideways, guys. And even on the, signal side of things, we're not seeing a strong buy or sell signal. If we look at the technicals, it's actually showing a sell signal, but it's not like a hard sell. It's not a strong sell right now. It's pretty flat, right? It's just pretty flat across the board. And we could retrace a little bit more. And again, I always look at that, 509 level. If we get back in there at all, that's where I like to accumulate. We got down there briefly here back on March 10th. What happened? We bounced right off it all the way up to the 11.7 level. Same thing has happened a couple of different times where we come back into those nines. But it's good to see that, since the start of the year, guys, again, reminder here, since the start of the year, we were down in the 508 level. Okay. Yes, we had the big pop in February all the way up here to the 15s, retraced, consolidated for a little bit, had another downturn, and now we're kind of consolidating, waiting to see where the next volatile move will be. I do think it's going to be to the upside. I don't see us breaking down too much further back down into the eights. I could be wrong, right? Unless it's a worldwide, global crypto market sell-off, right? Then we could definitely retrace back down here. But as long as we continue to remain steady, Bitcoin remains right around 28K and Ethereum right around, 1,800, 1,900. And, beyond, I think SHIB was going to find some footing here and actually make a move to the upside. Again, when in doubt, zoom out. SHIB's still up 35% to start the entire year. So love to see the whales accumulating right now. I know it's a relatively boring time in the market. Don't get frustrated. Understand that there are growing pains when it comes to cryptocurrency. There are consolidation periods. There are down periods. And we're still in this weird place. Like we're still in this weird bear market, kind of. But crypto's kind of rallied against the stock market, against the economy a little bit the first 3 months. We'll see if that trend continues kind of on a macro level. And I'll be right here covering it for you. Make sure you guys are locked in. Subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Peace.